Laura, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Paranormal Pantivity Project Pan. This project is a Fantastic Ladies collab. The creator was Andrea. Everything you need to know will be listed down below, which includes the master list and links to everyone involved. So, this is a rolling based project pan. I did not get to update this in a month or two, so let's jump into it. The first declutter I'm going to talk about is for the prompt Poltergeist, and the prompt is a product that gives you trouble for like packaging reasons or faulty packaging. So I picked the NYX Squad Goals liquid lipstick, lip powder puff, whatever it was called. Since the last update, it has been decluttered. I do not have a date for that and it has not been used since the last update. And then the other thing rolling out is for the prompt Doppelganger. So it's a product you have a replacement of, or you have two of the same thing. So I'm rolling out the Pharmacy Zen Mascara. Since the last update, I used it 3 times and I called it done on the 16th of January. It started getting like really clumpy and also just like dried out. I don't know, it's weird. No, don't recommend, don't enjoy. So happy it's done. So I'm gonna go over everything remaining before I talk about the 2 items that are getting pulled in. So the first item is for the prompt White Lady. So I picked the Wet n Wild White Multi Stick. Since the last update, I used it 4 times. My goal is to finish it. I always get scared it's gonna get stuck, but this is how much is left. The next prompt is Vanishing Hitchhiker. So it's a product that disappears quickly. So this is the Jordana Jet Black eyeliner. Since the last update, I haven't used it. Anytime I say like I don't use something, shame on me from like Britney Spears just plays in my head. That's all I hear. Next, for Screaming Skulls, the prompt is a product with Halloween themed packaging. So I picked the Wet n Wild Not Your Basic Witch highlighter. My goal is to use this item 12 times. Since the last update, I used it once. So it has 11 uses left to go. Honestly, I should have added it to this eye look today. I need to keep it out in center because I keep forgetting that it's in a project. Because I'm not working on a lot of dark shades, a lot of deepening shades, so it's time to shine is now. And then the last prompt to talk about before the pull-ins is Banshee. So a product you are close to finishing. I have the Becca highlighter in Opal. Since the last update, I used it 4 times. My goal is to finish it. It's vibing. I could have added it today, and I also forgot. I'm slacking on my highlighter game. I really am. One product leaked. Yummy, yummy. Okay, this product is actively still leaking. It's just leaking water. So we're going to talk about this one first, but we're not supposed to. For the prompt, I believe it's Kelpie. Yes, a product you use in the shower or bath. So this is what this item is. This is the Bath & Body Works Exfoliating Glow. I don't know if it really glows. Body scrub in Vanilla Bean Noel. My goal is to use it 5 times. I see this being able to roll out in a month. I see it being able to roll out in 2 months. It's an easy goal, but I don't like to exfoliate every time I shower, so we will see. And then the prompt I was supposed to roll in before that, but sadly got water all over it, was for, I believe it's pronounced not Dubai. Debunk? No, it's not Debunk. Oh my god, I taught myself how to pronounce it and then I didn't film because I was working on the road outside and I forgot. Anyway, I'll put it on the screen. I'm so sorry. The goal, the category is to pick an item that's still in the box. So this is a palette from Beauty Treats. I've never used this before. I've been wanting to, but I've had it for over 6 months now and haven't used it yet. So my goal is also just to use it 5 times. I can now finally get rid of the box because the box is the part that got water on it. Thank you. body scrub. But this kind of reminds me of the Venus XL2. I think it will be fun and wearable. So we'll see how it goes. Also, another one that could get done in a month, might need another. But I'm excited to play with it. So that is my current progress for this project. If you enjoyed me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz. And I will see you all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.